Hello po. Hello po. Sorry na. Hello po, ako po si EJ Javier-Rina. Medyo matagal ko na pong ginagawa to. Kung hindi niyo po alam, originally I'm from Going to Lilit, first batch. Ako po yung gumagaya kay Tito Boy Agunda before. Tapos kalbo po ako before. So, parang nakaalala niyo po. So, since pagkailo po ako, masaya lang po ako is to be working again with Sir Ronald, my very close friend, my director and writer, Rodina Singh. We're really close friends, that's why masaya lang din po ako na nagsulat po siya ng pelikula for me, and masaya po ako na meron kaming lalabas sa pelikula kasi lagi kong dream kay Rodina as a director is for her to have projects, and I'm really proud of her kasi alam ko binigay talaga niya lahat, and that energy na-feel namin kaming lahat while working. So, ayun po.
Hello po, hindi na ako sanay. Ano ba? Anong sabihin ko? Nangingibago po ako kasi hindi na ako sanay na ako yung salita. Normally, parang nasanay na ako na ako yung nag-host. So, hindi ko lang sabihin ko. I guess Viva will always hold a very special place in my career, in my heart. At Viva Maxon, I have amazing co-workers here. It's so nice to see most of them, everyone, Mika, si Denise, Angela, and everybody here. So, masaya po ako na parte po ako sa kauna-unahang, siyempre, Sinisilip Film Festival. And I really hope all the best for all of our films. And siyempre, spread the word para masuportahan po natin ito. Thank you.
Hello po sa inyong lahat. Again, thank you for joining us today. This isn't my first film festival, but it is my first erotic film festival. I mean, that's a new thing, diba? And honestly, I think it's such an honor. We live in a country that's a bit conservative, so the fact that we have something like this, I think, is big for the Philippines. I mean, we're embracing the fact that as humans we're sexual creatures, you know, it's part of human nature, and now we're actually putting it into beautiful stories, you know. Some of them are pretty crazy, and I'm really amazed by some of the trailers we saw today, so I'm super happy and super blessed that I get to work with this amazing cast and this amazing director who really led us into this amazing fantasy land where we could really be our wildest versions of ourselves. And I was really able to live vicariously through Dream Boy, my wildest, craziest, most sexual version of myself. And it was just so much fun. So it's a blessing, and I think this is going to be a project that I'm going to cherish for a long, long time. So I'm happy to be part of one of the first erotic film festivals.
Ayun, gaya ng kay Tony, actually, marami naman akong ginawang films, but ito yung first time ko gagawa ng erotic. Ito yata yung pinaka-daring and erotic na gagawa ko sa pelikula. And sa lahat naman ng projects, mapa-TV, film, or kahit play, ako naman, hindi mo isipin talaga yung award, you just do your best. So, ayun, masaya po ako na nakatrabaho ko po ang best team, the Southern Lanterns, and especially the guidance of Direk Nico Baldoza na first film nito, and kasama ng aking mga sa cast, si Denise, Angelica, mga husay na actress. So, very thankful and grateful na mapasama sa first ever Sinisilip Festival.
First of all, I feel honored because I was told na we were handpicked by Direk to play in this role. And so, ayun po, parang, first of all, parang doon pa lang sa part na napili kami, parang feeling ko winner na ako doon kasi after a year, I think, at saka ako ulit gumawa ng erotic film. So, hopefully, this will open doors for all of us for more festivals and more movies, and I'm also excited for all of us na mapanood. Actually, parang bonus na lang for me na if mananalo kami na, hopefully manalo, pero dito pa lang sa part na naging part ako ng cast, feeling ko sobrang winner na ako dun sa part na yun. And I'm excited for all of us, sana mapanood ko po lahat ng buo. And I hope magka-work pa tayo lahat soon. And thank you.
Hello po, ayun, sinabi na po ni Angelica lahat dyan. Thankful po ako na napasama ako dito sa film ni Direk Nico, and ayun, sobrang na-excite po ako na mapanood yung buong film since hindi pa po namin nakita yung trailer pa lang napapanood. And ayun po, sobrang thankful din ako sa mga cast na nakasama ko. And ayun po, maraming salamat po. Thank you.
Hello po sa lahat. First of all, I'm very grateful po dito sa opportunity na makasama sa first erotic film fest ng Viva. And again, katulad ng sabi ni Angelica, bonus na lang din talaga sa akin yung mga awards kasi for me, one of my dreams talaga yung storyline nung amin. Very ano siya, rom-com comedy talaga. So dun pa lang po talagang for me, ano na ako, sobrang grateful na ako and happy ako sa naka-work ko sila Albi again na sobrang dedicated din sa work yun. Thank you po.
Ayan, hello po sa lahat. Once again, I'm Angela Morena from Pagdaong. I feel very happy and excited sa nangyayari sa Viva Max kasi it's the first time na magkaroon ng Sinasilip Festival. Congratulations, Sir Ronan, and of course, Viva, kasi meron tayong ganito. Right? Kaya sobrang grateful ako kasi naging part ako. Sa mga hindi nakakalam, dito ako nag-start as Viva Max actor. So, I was one of the first batches. So, tawag nila OG or pioneer with Denise Esteban. Yes, congrats. I'm so proud of you then. Kaya, masaya-masaya ako na naging part po ako, especially pagdaong. Sobrang na-appreciate ko yung writing. Shoutout kay Direk Carlo Obispo. Napakaganda po ng kwento, napakaganda ng dialogue. As someone na very passionate when it comes to writing, and I would say this was my dream role as a writer, as a teacher, kasi pangarap ko talaga maging teacher. Kaya ito, nagawa ko siya sa pelikula. Kaya maraming salamat din, Direk Pongs, kay Direk Carlo. Napakaganda ng Allen Samar kasi doon po kami nag-shoot. Sobrang na-appreciate ko po yung nature, the sunset, and I'm very excited sa lahat na i-share itong art namin, itong pelikulang ito. Kasi it is about love and it is made with love. And we did our best. And I'm hoping sa lahat, of course, yung best. And regarding dun sa award, Best Actress, I was not really aiming for it, but I'm aiming for Best Film. Kasi nakita ko yung effort po ng production, yung mga tao sa Allen Samar, they were part of it. Everyone was part of it. And it was a collaboration. And hindi namin siya nakita as sex eh. It's not about erotic eh. It's about art. It's about love. Kaya I'm very excited po sa ating Sinasilip Festival. Thank you so much.
So, hello po sa mga di po nakakakilala sa akin. I'm Ashley Lopez and bago lang po ako sa BMX. This year lang po ako and sobrang thankful po na napasama po ako dito. First ever BMX Film Fest. Matagal ko na po talagang pangarap mapasama sa ganito. So, thank you po sa Viva. Direk Pongs, sobrang thankful po ako na napunta ako kay Direk Pongs kasi ang dami kong natutunan sa'yo pagdating sa pag-arte. And sobrang ganda po talaga na Allen Samar, kaya abangan niyo po to. And lastly, sana po supportahan nyo ang BMX Film Fest kasi dito po talaga ma-showcase ang talent ng mga Viva Max artists na hindi lang po basta kami naghuhubad, kundi meron din po kami pagdating sa pag-arte. Thank you po!
Congratulations!